Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SAP Concur how to change approver. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In the SAP Concur mobile app, changing the approver for an expense report is usually not possible directly because approvers are set by your company's approval workflows. So what you can do if you need to change the approver is check your approver can be edited. To do it, simply head over and open up your SAP Concur app and log into your account and open the expense report in the app and look for an approval field with the report details, and if it's editable, simply tap on it and select different approver. If not editable, simply contact your manager or finance team or SAP Concur administrator and explain why you need to change the approver, and they can either approve the report themselves or change the workflow or manually resend the approver. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.